So here it is, here is the big reveal. This is the reason why I'm here in Wales. And no, not that. Japanese technology, Malaysian style. It's raining and it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here. And I'm outside my house waiting for my taxi. Yeah, taxi. More on that story later. Because I'm on the way to HubNut territory today to pick up a car I've not seen that someone rang me about last night. And that's all I know. Come with me then, let's do another collection caper, this time to North Wales. It's 4 AM, why am I doing this?
Please familiarise yourself with the safety notices displayed.
Okay, so I'm on my train, and shout out to Patrick, my taxi driver, who I said would give a shout out to. He dropped me off in his Skoda Superb. About a 2-mile journey, and it cost me £12. So I'm already £12 in the hole. In fact, £72 because I'm on my train. Very quiet, as you can tell. I'll insert some artistic shots of the journey along the way. There's already disruption on my journey at Wolverhampton and Birmingham due to theft of signalling cable. Why? Why? Anyway, so who knows what's going to happen, but the first leg of my journey, Boston to Nottingham, I'm on the train. And I've had my breakfast already because I sat on my sandwich.
Train is for Nottingham. Our next station is Ancaster. Our next station is Grantham.
Passengers for witness.
Okay, so I've made it. It's 8 o'clock and I'm in Nottingham. I'm looking around, making sure I'm not going to get stabbed or robbed. So far, so good. This is my train. It's the 8:17 to Crewe. Going to get on that and go to Crewe. So far, no issues. Actually, the journey from Boston to Nottingham was the best journey I've ever had. Could be worse, couldn't it? Nottingham.
The next train to depart from platform 9 will be the 10:21 Transport for Wales service to Chester. Calling at Chester only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 9 from the 10:21 Transport for Wales service to Chester.
Like a weekday, and you're like, there's not even people on the same offices, like.
Oh, I'm at Chester, as you can see, and the journey from Nottingham to Crewe, wow, that was a busy train. Literally standing room only. Thankfully I managed to get a seat, but I was wedged in between some people. Anyway, I've made some new friends, and I've just been on another train, which you've just seen the countryside for, from Crewe to Chester. That was a 20-minute journey. The last leg then is from here. I've got half an hour to wait, and going from Chester to Wrexham, and then the vendors are meeting me at the train station. Best will in the world. Anyway, half an hour at Chester, might have a little snack. At least it's not raining. Six hours on a train. Got up at 4 AM this morning to buy a car that I saw on Facebook yesterday for £1,400. Oh yeah, it's a Proton Satria GTI. Well, it's been long overdue, hasn't it, boys and girls? It's been very long overdue. No, that's not the sound of the Proton Satria GTI 1.8 litre engine. No, that's a motorbike that's gone past me, but take a look at it. Oh, I'm so happy. I've waited 7 years to make this video. Mrs. JC is going to be furious. Dad is going to be so upset, but look at it. I found myself, well, a GTI. I've been waiting 7 years to bring you this video. This is all mine. 1,400 quid. 8 days MOT left. It's probably going to pass an MOT on Monday. All mine. 1.8 litre Malaysian hot hatch. It's in fantastic condition. The owner has had it since 2013 and it's been her daily car, but it's been pampered, it's been loved, and it's now finding a new home from all the way in Wales to the flatlands of Lincolnshire. This is my brand new car as part of the Coupland collection, and I am so happy so far that it's going to get me home. I'm in my Proton, yeah. It's a 3-hour journey to get home, 140 miles. And I've never driven one of these before, but I can only imagine it's as bonkers as I think it's going to be. Now, there's quite a few knocks and bangs because, well, I think it's got an anti-roll bar link gone, or an anti-roll bar bush, but oh, yes! Oh, it sounds so good, apart from that knocking. There's a little bit of a misfire under load. I think that's probably the fact that the battery's been off it for 6 months and I've put some fresh fuel in it, but it's still getting through the system. It could be air, it could be an injector, but it's driving fine, really, in the grand scheme of things. Oh, I'm so happy. 7 years of wanting one of these, and I've finally got my hands on one. 1.8 litre Mitsubishi engine. It's not turbocharged, it's not supercharged either. But you can get a turbocharged edition. You can bolt a turbocharger onto this. Not that you'd want to, it would be bonkers. Wales, I absolutely love you, not only because you're a beautiful part of the world, but you've given me my ultimate car, my ultimate hot hatch. One of the things about this car is, well, it's not really been anywhere the past couple of years. The owner works from home since the dreaded CV19. So in the past couple of years, it's done less than 300 miles. Before that, yeah, she was doing sort of 1,500 miles a year, but it's going to benefit from having a really good run home. Yeah, it's misfiring a little bit, and one of the brakes is hanging on just a little tiny bit, but nothing that's going to be detrimental to the car's performance or handling. Oh, wow. Gosh, 60 in these bends is not what you want to be doing. Remember, tuned by Lotus. The handling is by Lotus, and you can tell that it's not just any old car. Oh, this was worth the wait. This was worth the wait. God, this must be good when it's running properly. Now I understand why they're all covered in stone chips. On these twisty, turny Welsh back roads, it feels like that's where it belongs. That's where it needs to be. I've just left the owner's house and wow, what a machine. What a car. I don't think this car's left Wales for a very long time. Oh, 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 oh. God, it drives well. It sounds good, it accelerates well. It handles so well. You know, I'm only going to get this moment once, aren't I? There's the big reveal. That's what I've gone and bought. It's not perfect. It's got some work. But it's a very, very good starting point. And like I say, I've been waiting 7 years to find one as good as this. I hope you're as happy with this as I am, and I hope you're looking forward to some Proton Satria GTI content on the channel. What do you reckon? Proton Satria GTI, if you are shouting at your screen going, yes, John, finally you found one, let me know in the comments down below. There's going to be so much more content on this car to come. But until next time, have a great day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more, stay with it for the Satria GTI. See you later. There are so many more Proton related videos on the channel, and I've actually selected a couple that I think you might like here on this page. Give them a click to watch them now. Don't forget to subscribe for more Proton fun and lots more videos coming soon.